Hello and welcome to Jeeves. For this tutorial we are going to teach you how to register an account. Let's get started. First, tap the register button. To start registration, you must use either your mobile number or email address. For this tutorial we will use an email address. First, enter your email address. And then tap the send button to receive a verification code. Now, check your email for the verification code sent by Jeeves. It may take a few minutes for the verification code to arrive. Enter your verification code here when you receive it. If you didn't receive any code, tap resend code for a new code. Next, enter your password. And confirm your password by entering it again. Once you are done, tap Submit to complete your registration. Congratulations! You have now successfully created an account. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.